I'm gonna do 2 videos. Right? Welcome in, come in, have to sit, chill with me for a bit. Welcome in. I'm seeing a lot of stuff right now before I even start because I be leaving it over. But it's yesterday energy, so it don't really matter. Okay. Hi, I'm Shannon. Welcome to my station. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to where I am who I am, me. Thank you for watching, Shannon. Thank you for coming back, tuning in and watching me. This is my channel. Therefore, let me give you a small rundown. I could do what I want, whenever I want, however I want on my channel. I can say what I want, whatever I want to say, however I want to say it on my channel. Period. Thank you for tuning in. This be me all day. I am who I am. All right, and what I came here for, what this video is about me shuffling some cards and again and again and again. Shuffling the cards because then I'm gonna do a video where I read them. I love reading them, they so amazing. Pisces at the end of the day. Right? And I absolutely love reading. Okay? I love reading these cards. I do. I absolutely love reading these cards. They're so amazing. They say the most amazing things. And it's nice. It's to help. It's a lot of goodness in here. It tells you about some bad stuff. You can get some bad stuff, some bad readings. I don't listen to a lot of readers on here. I don't listen. And some of them could tell some stories, but it's what the cards say. And if they can read and interpret the cards, that is so awesome. Okay? Right? From my eyes, anyway. Okay. I'm just shuffling the cards because I'm about to read it soon. I look forward to it. I love it. You see the sage burning. Ooh, I'm gonna do it afterwards too. Bottom of the deck, Great Fortune. Life is something else. Life is something else. You know life's supposed to be good. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a goodness, an abundance of all things you could possibly think of and want. In abundance. But you know what? Some people miss it. Yeah. I could see how. I paid attention to people. I've been paying attention. I pay attention to people. We all different. But we all the same. That's where the contradiction come in at. We all the same because we humans. We the same species. But we all the same because we emotional. We can be loving. We can be evil. And we all had the same capacity. We all got the same capacity to be evil. To be good. Whatever you want to call it. I feel this energy of at ease. Yesterday, I was feeling some type of way. Hold your vision. Fixed mode. That popped out of there. That was sitting over in the cut. Hold your vision. They gotta be shuffle. They right side up. I don't know. I feel calm energy. It's just kind of like, I will say though, you gotta find something to spunk your attitude up, so you're not sad and down and once you get a down feeling, a whole bunch of different thoughts about bad stuff come to you. A whole bunch of different thoughts just start coming out of nowhere. But if you think a good thought, then and smile about it and feel good about it, feel good about it. Because if you feel good, if you feel bad about a bad feeling, you actually feeling good about it. Come on with the contradiction. You don't put another one down here like that. If you feel bad, you actually feel good about it. Because you keep allowing yourself to feel that way. So the bad that you feel make you feel good in some type of way, whether it be you feel good mentally now. You know what I said? And then, oh, it's okay. Yes. So think a good thought. Think a good thought. Think some good things. There's some good things to be thought about. There's some good things to be thought about. I could look on my walls. You can't see it, but I can. I could look on my walls and see 1,000 reasons to be good, to be grateful, to feel good. I could think of 1,000. Look at them 1,000 up there. My grandbabies on the wall. My kids on this side. That just gave me a grand idea. Grand idea. Grand, I tell you. Hold on. Grand, I tell you. I love shuffling cards. It's this deep. Then I'm just gonna put a video up here about me shuffling cards. But so you can know. So you can know. This is more of a video that I'm doing on my own feelings. Because one day, and everything I do, I think about it. One day my kids gonna look back and see this. They gonna remember me. One day my grandkids gonna look back and look at it. Kids far off in my generation. And generations to come gonna look and see this video. This ain't about nobody on here. I don't care if not one person watch a video. I could get 7 people to watch a video. And if them 7 people watch the video, or at least let the video play, they eventually gonna watch the video anyway. So I'm doing this, and here it is. What's today? January and some change. January 26, 2023. I love doing it. Yeah. Let me do it again. Again. It's so entertaining and exciting and releasing of something. I don't know. I'm doing this for fun. I like this. I like cards. I like this. I like how these cards are set up. I like how they say stuff. I like how they tell you a story. I like how somehow, some kind of way, some of it kind of relate to what you're going through. It's crazy how some of it kind of relate. Of course, not all of it. It's cards, people. Okay. We get it. We get it. I know. I just love doing it. I could do that for a long time. I really could. Okay, I got one more deck to shuffle. And then I'm done. Oh, I got two. And the other one that's left is them hearts. My goodness. Trying to shuffle them cards. Here go another deck that shuffles so wonderfully. It just make you want to do it for hours and hours. I can sit and do it for hours and hours. I can sit here for hours and hours. I can do this for hours and hours. I really could. And I've done all I can. It is enough. This card stuck out. The Emperor. I am worthy of respect because I am respectful of all. The Emperor. Ooh, that's a good idea. I could read one card from each deck and still have a whole video. I'm just saying how I want to do this because I'm a whole worker. I got a whole job. So I'm trying to see how I could do this, and I love doing this. And if I could record it too, my channel, my station, I can say what I want, do what I want, whatever I want. Thank you. Thank you, YouTube. You amazing. I love it. I do. Okay. The homebody. See what I'm talking about? That just relate all the way to my life. Just relate all the way to my life. The homebody. Number 40. Isn't that something? I enjoy the secure base I have made for myself and my loved ones. Okay, period. Yes, I do. And you know what? Because I do. Because I do. One more deck, and I'm done. One more deck, and I'm done. And then I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna get my reading on. I'm excited about getting my read on, baby. It say freedom at the bottom of the deck. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. Do you want it to be? The path is clear. Rainbows and stuff. I love rainbows. Look at all the colors. It's beautiful. And her being naked is a little enticing. I'm just saying, you know, bodies are cute sometimes. It's cute. It's a nice picture. All right, let's shuffle the deck. Oh, what that loud? Embrace. Through each other, you find the missing pieces. Embrace, baby. All right, let me shuffle the deck. And then it's the last one. And then I'm done. And then I'm about to read. I'm about to read. And this is difficult. But you can do it. I can do it. I wonder why people make funny noises, but then I'm like, why? Because we're comedians or something, and we get like animal sounds and stuff inside of us, and we gotta let it go, or else you can start feeling a little crazy if you don't let it out. I promise you will. But if you let it out, let it down. Okay, I am who I am. I be who I be. Oh, I almost start rapping the whole song. But yes. Now we know what that card means. All right. I'm about to do a new video. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's see what the card's gonna say. Woo-hoo. See you. I'll be back. Watch this.